Window installation is a crucial service for homeowners in Little Rock seeking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, Little Rock window contractors offer a range of options, including double-pane windows and vinyl windows, to suit various needs and preferences. Entry Doors Little Rock services complement these installations perfectly, adding both style and security to any home alongside custom windows. Little Rock solutions tailored to design and function. Energy-efficient windows. Little Rock are designed to reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. By opting for double-pane windows, Little Rock homeowners can enjoy improved insulation and noise reduction. Entry Doors Little Rock installations further enhance home efficiency and curb appeal, creating a cohesive and energy-saving exterior. Vinyl window replacement. Little Rock remains a popular choice for its durability and low maintenance requirements. Window installation services. Little Rock are essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your home's openings. Little Rock window glass replacement and window frame installation. Little Rock address issues such as cracked panes or damaged frames. To complete the look, Entry Doors Little Rock experts offer precision door fittings that enhance both performance and visual harmony with your new windows. Little Rock window maintenance is key to extending the lifespan of your windows and ensuring optimal performance. Regular upgrades such as window styles. Little Rock and window hardware. Little Rock significantly boost aesthetics and usability. Entry Doors Little Rock upgrades can be integrated with window maintenance projects to create a seamless, stylish exterior that adds lasting value to your property. Window insulation. Little Rock and window glazing. Little Rock are essential elements of an energy-efficient home. These features stabilize indoor temperatures while minimizing energy costs. Entry Doors Little Rock contribute equally to energy retention and weather protection, making them an important complement to window sash installation and window weatherproofing. Little Rock services. Understanding window replacement cost. Little Rock is crucial for homeowners planning to renovate. Precise window measurement. Little Rock and window design. Little Rock ensure each project is executed flawlessly. Pairing Entry Doors Little Rock with updated windows enhances your property's security, energy performance, and curb appeal, creating a cohesive, modern finish. Window contractors in Little Rock provide end-to-end services, from consultation to installation. Their expertise in custom windows. Little Rock and energy-efficient windows. Little Rock ensures superior craftsmanship and durability. Including Entry Doors Little Rock in your project can elevate your home's entryway, making it more welcoming and efficient. In conclusion, window installation and replacement services in Little Rock are vital for keeping your home energy efficient and comfortable. With options like vinyl windows, double-pane glass, and Entry Doors Little Rock, homeowners can find solutions that improve both function and appearance. Partnering with experienced contractors ensures your windows and doors deliver long-term performance and style. Looking for top-notch window installation services in Little Rock? Our expert contractors specialize in energy-efficient window systems to keep your home comfortable year-round. Whether you need custom windows or Entry Doors Little Rock, we offer tailored solutions to enhance your property's functionality and beauty. Upgrade your home with vinyl window replacement in Little Rock and complement it with stylish Entry Doors Little Rock. Our wide range of window styles and hardware options allow you to achieve the perfect aesthetic. From window screens to window tinting, our team provides full-service upgrades that elevate both appearance and comfort. If you're facing window issues, our window installation services in Little Rock are here to help. We handle glass replacement, frame installation, and weatherproofing to restore performance and appeal. Entry Doors Little Rock installation services ensure your home's entry is as secure and energy efficient as your windows. Concerned about window replacement cost in Little Rock? We provide transparent pricing and accurate window measurement services. Our design experts help you choose the best window and Entry Doors Little Rock combinations, ensuring style, efficiency, and affordability. Enhance your curb appeal with our entry door installation services in Little Rock. Our specialists in entry doors Little Rock provide seamless installations that match your home's design. Pair them with our energy-efficient windows Little Rock offerings for superior performance and a unified exterior aesthetic. Maintain your home's integrity with window maintenance services in Little Rock. Regular glazing, insulation, and sash installations protect your investment. Combine these with entry doors Little Rock maintenance to keep your entire home secure, efficient, and visually appealing. Choose custom windows Little Rock for a personalized upgrade. Our contractors offer unique designs to suit any architecture, while entry doors Little Rock options provide a perfect finishing touch to your exterior. Together, they create a cohesive and stylish home design. Trust our Little Rock window glass replacement services for reliable, high-quality results. We handle every detail from removal to installation. Pair your new glass with entry doors Little Rock upgrades to improve both energy performance and home security. For window tinting Little Rock, our experts ensure flawless installation to enhance privacy and reduce glare. Our insulation and glazing services improve efficiency, while entry doors Little Rock additions offer durability and style that ties your home's look together. Our window sash installation Little Rock and weatherproofing services eliminate drafts and enhance comfort. Integrating entry doors Little Rock into your renovation plan ensures consistent energy savings and a polished, professional finish for your entire property. Contact us today for all your window and door needs in Little Rock. From custom installations to maintenance and installations, we deliver quality and excellence. Trust our team for expert entry doors Little Rock and window solutions that transform your home inside and out.